If you need a garage door or gate repaired fast, you've come to the right place. We offer same-day repairs. Your garage door is an important part of your home, and you should not take chances by hiring just anybody to complete your repair or installation project. With our company, you have a 100% guarantee and warranty on all work done by us. Our expert technicians are experienced, fast, and do quality work. We provide all repair services for garage doors and automatic gates, as well as new installations. Our garage door and gate repair experts are insured and bonded. So give us a call today. We'll get your garage door or gates working like new.